In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create continuous rotation with the time effector in Cinema 4D. We'll start by adding the tool that drives the motion. Create a time effector from the MoGraph menu. This effector uses the scene's time to generate constant motion, so you don't have to set keyframes to keep something spinning. Once it's in your scene, place the time effector as a child of the object you want to rotate. If your object lives inside a MoGraph cloner, make the time effector a child of that cloner instead. Parenting it this way tells Cinema 4D exactly which geometry the effector should influence. With the effector selected, look for the Deformer tab. Change the deformation mode to Object. This is the switch that makes the time effector act directly on the geometry it's parented under, rather than behaving like a traditional MoGraph effector that needs a cloner selection or fields. Setting deformation to Object is essential. Without it, the effector won't rotate a single non-cloned object. Next, head over to the Parameter tab, which is where we define what the effector changes over time. Enable rotation. You'll see three axes labeled H, P, and B. These stand for heading, pitch, and bank. Turn on the checkbox for the axis you want to spin. For most cases, heading is the classic turntable rotation around the vertical axis. If your model is oriented differently, choose pitch or bank to match the direction you need. As soon as rotation is enabled on an axis, the time effector applies continuous motion. Press play in the timeline to preview. If the spin is going the wrong way, simply use a negative value for that axis. If you need it faster or slower, adjust the numeric value on that axis. Higher values produce a quicker rotation, lower values slow it down. Because this motion is driven by time, it remains perfectly loopable and doesn't require keyframes. If you're using a cloner, the same setup gives each clone its own continuous rotation, which is great for grids, arrays, or motion graphics elements. And if you're rotating a single object, this approach keeps your animation lightweight and easy to tweak later. That's all you need. Create the time effector, parent it to the object or cloner, set deformation to object, and enable rotation on the axis you want. You now have a clean, dependable way to add continuous rotation in Cinema 4D.